let's take a look at what's in the package. So you've got a nice box, what it comes with. And when you open it, inside you see a book, you see some markers, and there's some pages. So the markers are for drawing the pictures. Now, the thing with most kids is they may or may not be good with stories. They may or may not be good with art. It doesn't matter. This book is going to be just for them. And the markers, they recommend using these markers to draw the pictures. But one of the things you can do as a teacher, as a parent, is kids can get together and they could co-write the book. One kid could be the main writer. One kid could be the main artist. They can produce it together. You can order more than one copy. And once the book is done, it's available for others to go and order online. So again, man, how's that make a kid feel? Hey, my grandparents, my uncle, my cousins out in Arizona, whatever, they went online on the web and ordered my book and it got sent to them just like a published author that's in Amazon. Again, anyone can do this, but it does make the kids feel good. Now, the kids don't get any profit from this. There's no, you're selling your book and you get revenue or anything like that. The costs cover the publishing of the book, and obviously Lulu is making their money on it. But the aspect of a kid looking at it and going, I can put a book online and sell it, that's important for them to realize that that is a skill they can do. So you got your book, and this is a nice little book. It's got all sorts of things to help walk them through. It has brainstorming, story planning. It talks about the different adjectives to use to liven up the story. So it's an important book to work through. And this is something that not necessarily just, here, kids, have this kit, go write your story. It's something you can work with. The book is information that you can do as lessons. You can do as a group. You can do, if you're a homeschool teacher, you can work with a couple kids on this. If you're a teacher at school, contact Lulu, see about any group bulk discounts, and all your kids in your class can do this as a project. Then there are pages that they have an instruction sheet, and they have pages for the kids to draw their pictures and write on. And when you send this out, it's the pages they actually will use to print. So these are important. You might want to have them practice a bit first. So that's what I would recommend. But it's a good kit. It has lots of useful things in it for that. So I am going to write a small story. I am going to get some pictures on it, and I'm going to send this in, and that will be on some future videos.